Today we are going to perform activity from 11th Science Practical. Activity for 5 marks. Aim of activity is to prepare 100 ml 0.1 molar standard solution of oxalic acid. Then how will you prepare 0.1 molar standard solution of oxalic acid? Theory of this experiment, we know that molecular formula of oxalic acid is H2C2O4 twice water molecule. Its molar mass is 126 gram per mole. That means 126 gram of oxalic acid when dissolved in 1000 ml water, then its concentration becomes 1 molar. But we have to prepare 0.1 molar standard solution of oxalic acid. Therefore, for 0.1 molar oxalic acid, how many grams of oxalic acid will be required? We have to find out. 0.1 molar oxalic acid for 1000 ml solution require 12.6 gram of oxalic acid. Similarly, we have to prepare only 100 ml standard solution of oxalic acid. For 100 ml 0.1 molar standard solution of oxalic acid required 1.26 gram of oxalic acid. Therefore, we have to dissolve 1.26 gram of oxalic acid in a 100 ml distilled water. Then it makes solution exactly equal to 0.1 molar. Then apparatus required for these experiments are 100 ml volumetric flask, beaker, glass rod, etc. Then chemicals required for these experiments are oxalic acid, distilled water. Then we are going to perform experiment. First of all, weigh accurately 1.26 gram of oxalic acid. Then here I have taken previously weigh 1.26 gram of oxalic acid. Then transfer this oxalic acid into clean and dry beaker. Then add small amount of distilled water to this beaker so as to oxalic acid becomes completely soluble. This is the distilled water. Then stir the solution by using glass rod. Then add water. Again dissolve the oxalic acid crystals completely. By stirring. It is observed that oxalic acid becomes soluble in water. Then transfer the solution of oxalic acid from beaker to 100 ml volumetric flask. We know that on volumetric flask there is one marking of 100 ml. Transfer this solution carefully into the volumetric flask. Then it is observed that some crystals of oxalic acid remaining in beaker. Then 2 to 3 times this beaker is washed with distilled water and Add this washing into the volumetric flask. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times. And transfer the all washings in the volumetric flask so as to no single crystal remaining in a beaker. Now dilute this solution up to the mark by using distilled water. This is the standard solution of oxalic acid whose concentration is 0.1 molar. Then result 100 ml 0.1 molar standard solution of oxalic acid contain how many grams of oxalic acid? Here they are already discussed 1.26 gram of oxalic acid. This is all about this activity. Thank you.